A video of actor Mammootty giving a speech during an event at a hospital on Wednesday has gone viral on social media. Mammootty said that he had been suffering from a ligament tear on his leg for the past 21 years. "My leg will only get smaller if I get the injury fixed and people will still mock me," he said. He also stated that for the past 10 to 12 years, he had been enduring this pain all throughout while dancing and performing stunts for the audience. He also expressed his sincere hope that in the future, people would not have to go through such misery. The speech was given at the inaugural function of the robotic surgery for arthroplasty at Kozhikode Mitra Hospital. The video of the speech became an instant hit on the internet. A fan quoted, "This man has endured brutal criticism and trolls directed at him for his poor dancing skills, but this speech will go down in history and will be cherished by his fans forever." Meanwhile, August 6th marked the actor's 50th year in the film industry. Mammootty made his acting debut in the 1971 film Anubhavangal Palichagal starring Prem Nasir and Sheila and directed by K.S. Sethumadhavan. Mammootty had recently shared a post celebrating the anniversary of the film even though he played a one-scene uncredited role. But as the actor started getting lead roles in the early 1980s, the idea of celebrating his 50th year in the film industry would be meaningless, said his fans association. The actor is also of the same opinion. On his birthday on September 5th, the actor is planning to donate for good causes as part of a celebration like every year. The actor's various fans associations have already begun the celebration on social media. This year, the superstar will celebrate his birthday at the location of his upcoming film, Bhishma Parvam. The film will complete its final production by next week. After Big B, this is the actor's second film with the director Amal Nirad. The film also has stars like Saubin Shahir, Srinath Bhasi, Shine Tom Chako, Dilesh Potan, Farhan Fasil, Anasuya Bharadwaj and Lana Inat. Mammootty's scenes will be shot in 21 days. Bhishma Parvam will wrap up filming by next month. News Desk, Kaumudi English.